What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, first ever. So I'm gonna take you guys with me today. It's a very special day. I'm gonna be picking up the new project, which is a 2004 Honda 600 CBR600RR. Won it at an auction. I'll reveal the winning amount and cost and everything when I'm done with the build, but yeah, I'm just gonna go pick it up today. And I've asked a buddy of mine to help me out with picking it up because excuse the noise, yeah, because I don't have a bikie. I've got sports cars and none of them have tow bars, so I can't get a trailer, so I need to sort out my life. But I've asked a buddy of mine, he's got a bikie, to go with me and pick it up. So I meet him outside my place. He's actually here now. Then we're gonna go. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and let's do this. Let's go get this bike. There he is. It's time to roll out. Let's go, boy. We're finally here, guys. We're at the venue. Geez, it was a long drive. I'm gonna go into the office to hand them the papers so they can start, so they can release the bike actually. And then yeah, we'll be on our way. I'll show you some shots of the bike as they're giving it to us and all of that, and we'll meet you guys back at home. Awesome, guys. So we're back from the auction place. We've got the bike here. It's back home. Looks much better in the light like this, considering the damages. But I'm gonna take you guys through the key areas or the parts that we noticed were really bad, and we're gonna try and get this sorted out. I'm gonna try and make it look as good as new. So as you can see on the front here, we've got most of the damage. Front stay is gone. Luckily we've got the somewhere in here we've got the gauge cluster. If I can get it, there we go. That sits on top here, and then we've got the 2 mirrors. Set these down here so we can get a better look. So yeah, most of the fix is going to be on the front. We're going to need new headlight, whole new set of fairings, new front stay there. Then we'll look at some other things that we need to sort out, but everything else seems to be in goodish condition. We've got all the foot pegs there in order, gear levers there as well. Chain is in fairly good condition. We'll see if we need to replace that. The wheel is just flat, but the rim is good. The front though has a bend here, so you can see the front rim took a bit of a knock, so that needs to be sorted out. The other thing is this brake lever that also needs to be sorted out. Not a big fan of this exhaust, but we'll see if we can make it work. Otherwise we'll get a new one, because you can see here it's pretty rusted. While we're here, you can see the oil level, so at least there's fluids in the bike. But yeah, other than that, this is the bike. Still need to put a battery in here, see if it switches on, try and get it to start up, and then we'll take it from there. Awesome guys, so that's where I'm going to leave the video. Part 2 will be basically taking everything apart and trying and see if there's any damages underneath the fairings, and trying to get this thing to light up and switch on. Don't think it'll start, but we'll see how far we get in part 2. But yeah, thanks for coming along and joining in on this build. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon to stay notified so you can see progress on this beautiful CBR600RR. And yeah guys, catch you on the next one. Peace out.